yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah. Ọ̀tá fà sókè, JIDE borí, ojú Ọlọ́run ẹ̀ o. Bí ìran bá lọ fógún ọdún, ṣùgbọ́n lọ́jọ́ kan òtítọ́ máa fara. You shall reap what you sow. Àṣepamọ́ ló wà, kò sí àṣegbé. Ìyàn ogún ọdún a máa ń jóni lọ́wọ́ o. Òtójú ẹnìkan kò rí ojú Ọlọ́run rí. No one is above the law. Kò sẹ́ni tó kọjá òfin. Oníkálukú ó jèrè iṣẹ́ rẹ̀. Above the law. Àṣejẹ nànà yẹ́yẹ́ o. Above the law. Kò sẹ́ni tó kọjá òfin. Above the law. No one, no one.
Sir. DPO.
Yes, sir.
You see, the case at hand is a very serious one. Terrible. And we have to be very, very careful. Unfortunately, I have a son. One son. Him. I sent him to the best university in the world, Harvard University, hoping that one day this idiot will bring more light to my life. But look at what he has done. It's a serious case. It is a serious case because, look at me. I have spent over 30 years tí Ọlọ́run máa ń yọ̀ǹda fún ẹlòmíì láti lò láyé to build myself before I eventually became a minister. I started as a local government chairman. Natoya, one day, because I was good. I am still good anyway. One day, I love from House of Reps. Àwọn kan ní Senate ní kí wá lọ, bóyá máa jẹ́ Senate President. President fúnra rẹ̀ sọ pé no kí n ní sùúrù kí n kọ́kọ́ wá ṣe minister náà. Gbogbo kìíní yẹn over 30 years ni mo ṣe ní sùúrù tí mo fi dé ipò tí mo wà lẹ́nu. Only for this boy, this thing láti ṣe àṣemáṣe mo fẹ́ stay lórúkọ yẹn. You and I will not allow him to do that.
Oh, Honorable Minister, what exactly did he do?
What money to read back to You need to break. Standing before you is a rapist. If you say anything, I'll bring you down.
You raped? I was drunk. You see, Honorable Minister, it's a grievous offense.
It is. Write that one down. Write whatever the barrister is saying down. It's a serious case.
A very, very serious one, for that matter.
Underline, very, very serious.
You know why I said that? Because if he's found guilty, that should be around 14 to 21 years imprisonment. So, and with the kind of person you are, your status, your caliber, who you are in the society, we shouldn't allow him to bring all what you have achieved in so many years down.
That is where we all need to come in. That is what I don't want to happen. That is why you, the DPO, every one of us must work together and speak with one voice so that he will not go to jail.
Sir.
Yes. You have something to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me hear you.
That's a very good one. Thank you very much. Well, share it with the barrister.
That's a good one. A very brilliant one. Wow. That's a good one. You see, my honorable minister, Charlie, that is why I don't always want to push anybody aside. Because only fogbon logbon shogbon ni o ki nje ka pagba ni were.
Were beni.
Toto shobi o.
No, it's okay.
And you see, our meta ta wai, our ni aro meta tí ó kò ní jẹ́ kí ọbẹ̀ dànù. Láíláí. So, and I know we have someone very capable. In fact, in my own office, you will be able to effect that. And that is the DPO. That she, suggested swapping.
Oh, swapping?
Yes.
Honorable. That's not difficult. It's a very simple matter. Yeah, it's not difficult. We've been doing that. Just that it will cost you money. A lot of money.
You will smile.
Oh.
I will so give you money and you will say, wait. After this case, do you want to be an area commander or a CP?
CP, sir.
CP ló fẹ́?
Yes, sir.
Barrister, CP ló fẹ́.
It is done.
Láti èní mo ti ń tó láti Abuja. Phone call ni ma fi bẹ̀rẹ̀.
All
Alright? It is done.
Thank you, sir.
Wọ́n ṣáà jẹ́ pé owó ta sọ́rí báyìí náà kó down.
Definitely. It's not a problem. It's not a difficult matter. I'm going to stop that.
I like that language. Not a difficult matter. Mo fẹ́ ṣe kọ̀ọ̀kan fún gbogbo wa. Ẹ kọ́ fún mi 2 minutes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Oh,
that's nice.
Because I am angry. Don't say anything. Barrister, I am getting angry.
Calm down. I'm going to talk to him before I leave. Just let him do for now. Let him.
I say no one is above the law. Cause I need to go to He's above the law. Above the law. I say
Come here.
what did I do now? Give him more shade. What did I do, sir? Sir, I didn't do any shut up.
You go down. Ẹ wo bó ṣe rí. Ìwọ.
Ṣé explain nǹkan fún yín?
Kí ló fẹ́ sọ?
I didn't do anything. Mo kàn rìn lọ jẹ́jẹ́ mi lórí títì náà ṣe gbé mi. Mo dẹ̀ try láti explain fún wọn pé mi ò ṣe nǹkan kan kó fi mí lẹ̀. They said no. Mi mọ̀ kó. Shut up! Mi ṣe kọ́kọ́. I didn't do anything. I think there's a mistake somewhere. Mi ò ṣe anything. Mo kàn ifá kẹfẹ́ mọ̀ mi ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dé kò graduate ni mi. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan wá sọ pé nígbà tí mo ti graduate for a while tí mi ò ríṣẹ́ pé kí n máa bọ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pé job opportunities yẹn dẹ̀ máa ń wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pé tí bá dẹ̀ wáṣẹ́ tí mi ò ríṣẹ́ I can learn barbing or any other kind of trade torí ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe wá sí Èkó so ìgbà tí mo wá kọjá lọ mo kàn rìn lọ jẹ́jẹ́ ń tèmi wọ́n á gbé mi ìdẹ́sọ́ pé kọ́ fi bílẹ̀ pé mistake ni pé èmi kọ́ ni ẹni tán.
Be quiet! Kòkòrò lọ lójú títì wọ́n kàn gbé ẹ ó fẹ́ lọ pọ́n bábí ìwọ nìkan ló rìn ṣé wọ́n nìkan ló wà ń gbòòrò Èkó. Ìwọ, o rape ọmọlọmọ, ṣọ́rọ̀ pé mi ní mọ̀ ni. Ìwọ, o rape obìnrin.
No, Echoma, I think there is a...
Quiet, my friend! So much sorrow there. Má fi kàn fọ́ ẹsẹ̀.
No, I didn't rape anybody. I think there's a mistake. So I didn't rape. I don't... Did you see me rape anybody?
Quiet!
No, rape any...
Má fọ́ ẹsẹ̀. Tó ti kó máa jẹrà ọmọ wà láyé ọmọ arẹ́sẹ̀ tó ń jẹrà. Kí ló wọ́n rí ẹ̀? Mo lọ rape ọmọ lọ́mọ. Ẹ sọ fún mi pé o rape. Òun ṣó sọ fún mi pé àwọn ọmọ mi ò mọṣẹ́ ṣe àbí wọn ò ríran wọn ò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe.
No ma, mi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ma, no ma,
Ọlọ́run. Mi ò fẹ́ gbọ́ ẹni sílẹ̀. Mi ò fẹ́ gbọ́ ẹni sílẹ̀ ní ẹ̀dá tẹnu ẹ. Ẹ mú lọ síbi tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí. Ẹ mú lọ sí àárín àwọn tó le jù.
Ẹjọ́ mọ́mì mi ọlọ́run ẹbí mọ́mì mi ọlọ́run ẹjọ́ tó rọ́ ẹjọ́ tó yẹ mo kó ẹ̀rù ti bàjẹ́.
Fógun ọdún.
Kí ló máa ṣe wọn rárá?
Ṣùgbọ́n lọ́jọ́ kan òtítọ́ máa fara. You shall reap what you sow. Àṣepamọ́ ló wà, kò sí àṣegbé.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, it is done.
No one is above the law.
But honestly speaking, mo mọ̀ ẹ́ dáadáa, ẹnu ẹ dùn. Ẹnu ẹ dùn.
Come on now. Show me pé ìwọ nìkan náà ni mo ní. And I have a lot of people, a lot of babes trying to get my attention, but it's only you. I tell you, kí ló irú kọ́ wo ló ń wí?
Ọkàn yín ni má dàbí tẹ̀lé má sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ikọ̀ alábòsí ló ń wú.
Madam, ó ní bínú ni. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó ṣọ́ ni nǹkan tó bá dẹ̀ sọ 100%.
Yes.
Definitely.
Anyway, èmi ò tiẹ̀ ní doubt o. I trust him. Kí ló fẹ́ máa kí ló ń wá kiri? Obìnrin kan bí 100 ni mi. I have everything in it, so.
Kan tí mo wá mọ́.
I know, right?
Like seriously.
So, of course.
Show me pé méjì lọ́lọ́ máa ń dá yàn. Like seriously, that lady that just passed by now. Ó jọ babe kan tájọ máa ń wà ní Harvard University, like seriously my school daughter.
Oh, really?
Ó mọ̀ nǹkan tó wá funny. The same hairstyle tí Vivian máa ń ṣe lòun náà ṣe, so I'm very sure pé Vivian ni.
Ṣé hairstyle kan náà ló máa ṣe ni? And tó bá tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé hairstyle tó ń ṣe láti gbà yẹn nìyẹn, do you think she'll still be carrying the same kind of hairstyle after so many years?
I'm telling you, she is the one. I'm just very sure. So just give me a minute. Let me go over there and say hi.
Okay, so guys.
I'll be back. All right.
Mo mọ̀ bóyá ti gbọ́ nípa new club kan ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ open.
Yes, club.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
You guys are dull. I don't know.
How sure are you that
You're dull. Láwọn nǹkan tí Fọláwẹ́ ló máa ń sọ fún mi nípa ẹni tó máa ń jẹ́ kí.
So leave me some phone. Hey, I told you. That's Vivian. Ọmọ tí mo sọ yẹn gangan ni. I'm telling you.
So ibo ló ti wá mọ̀?
I'm in Harvard University now.
Okay, so it's still the same Harvard.
I was telling you.
Yeah, I gbọ́dọ̀ close gan ni o tó fi dá mọ̀ pẹ̀lú láti side back view.
And a school daughter, minister.
Oh, okay. I do not like this, as a matter of fact. Hi.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. You're cute too. Excuse me. My brother here. Ó sọ fún mi nípa yín. So, mo kàn fẹ́ mọ̀ báwo ni experience in Harvard?
I didn't know it. Ọkọ wa bá mi bí bá ń sìn, wọ́n láwọn like me, wọ́n dẹ̀ gba contact, that's all.
Actually, you see, only my lord, I will holler at you. Babe, I thought she was the one. So, but my feet bed, then I realized that okay, then I was trying to then.
You think I'm stupid? Come on, join me, you think I'm stupid? You dare disrespect me in a public place.
You better be careful. You better be freaking careful right now. And you know me. Check this.
Baby, just calm down.
sorry. Please.
Leave my shirt.
Just calm
BD.
down, please.
Leave your hands on me.
BD! BD!
Calm down, Fola away.
Sleep.
Fola.
She should get out, Daddy. This guy should be out. Oh, look at me now. Now push her away now. She the mad. You see what she away?
Guy, listen to me.
Fola out.
How can you hit a woman? Same to make sense.
Talk about same thing. I will hit her over and over and nothing will happen.
My God.
Ọláwẹ̀. Kí ló máa ń ṣe àwọn ọmọ ìsìn náà? A kàn máa gbá obìnrin létí káàkiri. Kí ló dé tó ń na obìnrin? Kí ló dé tó ń gbá obìnrin létí? For goodness sake. Àníwọ̀ wà ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n gbọ́ ọmọ mi létí ń ṣojú ẹ̀. Kí wá ní àǹfààní pé òun tẹ̀lé káàkiri fún? I'm asking you.
Your Excellency, sir, mo fẹ́ fix bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn up. But àwọn lọ ní kí n má ṣe nǹkan kan. Ṣé ìdọ̀wọ́ ti pé ọmọ Honorable Ajayi ọ̀rẹ́ yín ni?
Honorable my foot. Honorable Ajayi báwo? Tó bá jọ ọmọ Honorable nǹkan ló sọ pé kó sọ ọmọ mi di punch bag. I don't just understand youth of nowadays. Kí ló dé? What came over him now? Wo bó ṣe ṣe ọmọ fún mi now?
Díẹ̀, ẹ wo bó ṣe ṣe ọmọ mi. Ó na ọmọ mi játijàti. Tó bá jẹ́ pé kì í ṣe ọmọ family friend wa ni. He will rot in jail. Sorry.
And to even think that this is not the first time to máa ṣeré ilé fún mi. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni.
Really?
I'm always trying to avoid public embarrassment because tí n bá raise alarm nísìn tó bá di wàhálà, before you know it, àwọn press wọ́n ti gbé wọ́n máa kọ negative news nípa wa. That's why I've just been quiet all this while.
Look here. Ó dà bó ṣe quiet látijọ́. But sùúrù náà ló máa ṣe, my dear. Yes. Sùúrù ló máa ṣe. Okun oníwòrúurú káwa rúru. Orí bíbẹ́ kọ́ lóògùn orí fífọ́. Jẹ́ ká ṣe sùúrù. I will call his dad. We talk to him. Mo mọ̀ pé kò ní ṣe mọ́ after the baba sọ̀rọ̀. So just calm down.
Dad! Are you implying pé kí n ṣe continue nínú abusive relationship yìí? Dad, I have had it up to here. I am done. Impossible. I'm done. I'm done. Done.
Yes. Kò fẹ́ money. Kò fẹ́ money.
Kí ló ń sọ? Kí ni wọ́n tún sọ lẹ́nu?
Ṣó fẹ́ pọ̀ ọmọ fún mi ni?
It's okay. Iṣẹ́ tó máa wá bó ṣe máa bá mú ọmọdé ìwálẹ̀ tó máa lo ète obìnrin fún. Kínú ẹ lè wálẹ̀, ìwọ́n tún fẹ́ máa yín sí àbí?
Díẹ̀, ṣé èèyàn ń bá ní ìtàn kó fa ní ìtàn ya ni? Ọmọ mi ò fẹ́ mọ́ ló ti
Don't tell me that. Ṣó ti gbà yín pé tẹ̀yìn ọ̀wá as governor ní pẹ́ parí. Àmúdẹ̀ pé mo ṣàlàyé fún ẹ pé mo sì ní ambition to become minister. Ṣé wọ́n ti gbà yín pé Àjàyí minister ni?
Very soon.
Ó dẹ̀ ti wà connected ní federal level. So òun ló máa bá mi gbé gbogbo ìgbésẹ̀ bí mi náà ṣe máa di minister. Ẹ fẹ́ lọ fọ iye polókè. National cake yẹn mi náà fẹ́ bù jẹ́ ń bẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ tó yẹ ká bá Fọláwẹ́ wí. Ó yẹ ká bá wí. Ó lè máa na ọmọ nínú ọ̀bàrà fún.
Lọ́pàá ń gbà yẹn. A máa wá sókè wa, a máa wá sísàlẹ̀. Tàbá dẹ̀ dábùjọ́ òun tán sìn ló máa sọ pé kọ́ fún ẹ lọ́fíìsì títí ẹ orí oníranù. Lọ bọ́ ọmọ fún mi lókè kó sọ fún wa bó ṣe máa mọ́ ọmọ wálẹ̀ fún mi.
Kéde.
Àbáyọ̀ gbà aṣọ tó ní kí n lè wá.
Thank you very much.
Fóònù tó máa ń lò. Fóònù tó máa ń lò. Ok, ẹ̀gbọ́n. Tó bá ti dàárọ̀ la, àwọn àgbà lọ́wọ́.
Ẹ má worry.
Ẹni tí bá wọ́n ṣe lálẹ́ òní, mo fi ṣe.
Ẹ má worry.
Ṣáàjì ó ti fún dáadáa.
Ẹ ṣé gan. Ẹ má worry. Ẹ ṣé.
Ok, mo ti close by. Àárọ̀ la, ṣé wà ní? Àwọn wọ́dà tó fẹ́ rí súnmọ́ alẹ́ yìí. Ẹnu wọn ti fẹ́. Bá ti fi lè tì mí wọn.
you. Wá jẹ́ kó ṣe. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ ṣe. Ẹ ṣe gan. Ṣé ìgbó mú òun mọ̀ pé gbogbo tó ń kó sí mọ̀ kó kì í ṣe èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀. Lágbó ọlọ́mọ ayé. Ọlọ́mọ ayé.
Àmì ẹ ṣe gan. Ẹ ṣe gan.
Really? Oh, you're so intelligent. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lórí ẹ̀. Look at that smile. Oh God. Oh, you need blush. There is no way I would look at you and not blush.
You're so intelligent. This is just why I like to meet you. Every time we have everything else, thanks.
Come on, Faye, come on. Oh wait, do I take that as flattery or what?
I know, right? Stupid! Why are you making me blush now?
You know I love you. Yeah, but I love you more. Ó máa ń ṣe mí bákan. Ṣé wọ́n pé mo ṣe realize pé ó ti pẹ́ tèmi àti ẹ ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ ni o. And I'm not tired of you.
Well, I need to go now, but my pay later, sure.
Okay, I know you have to go now.
Wait.
What?
Actually, we'll say what's my best. We get attention. Because if I continue.
But make sure you keep phone segbe because I'm still gonna call you.
Okay. My friend is actually here. She came to see me. So, I'll just wait till you can talk again.
Of course I'll talk to you before you sleep now. That's the norm. Alright, darling. I love you. You're so sweet. Alright, bye there.
Shayo. I don't know why you are so much in love with this Abayomi or Yomi or whatsoever. And you're too really Abba. No. I don't like that. You're giving him so much attention and too much attention.
You were sure we won't go for me too much attention because it was convenient from global time to film by sorry. He could have done any other thing with his time. But every spare time to bat me by only mention. How do you shape won't be anything be something like time up or something? What's your mama by me sorry? Yeah.
She man by sorrow all through the night. Ti ma pe láàrin tó ma ní ó fẹ́ so mi ò sùn látàná Àbáyọ̀mí mo bá sọ̀rọ̀. I didn't think that's not good enough. Ó ṣe bọ́nù kan ni. Babe, be careful. Shayo, be careful. It is obvious and it is all written over you. Ipe o ti wà in love with Bobo.
Calm down, babe. Calm down. Yeah, I love him. I love him. I'm not denying that. I love him. The guy is sweet.
Environment to think he was sweet. We don't think we are now. Shoki. At least, what's the witness?
Come off it, girl.
Me, it make sense.
Come off it. Own she maritime course ni. O de ti ṣàlàyé fún ẹ. Camp ló wà. So báwo ló ṣe expect ki camp tó wà? Báwo ló ṣe expect kó rí? Ṣé palace ni? Go get her in now. Ó mọ nǹkan tó ń wá. Otherwise, ó lè fẹ́ máa ṣàkàn pé no, I can't stay in this kind of environment. This is not befitting. But he's a go-getter. Ó mọ nǹkan tó ń wá. Irrespective of ibi tó bára ẹ̀. His eyes are on the goal. So,
well, you know I love you so much. Do you know that?
I know.
Please be careful.
Thank you.
Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Mo jókòó. Mo wá reflect back. Mo wá pé ṣé èmi ni mo ṣe àdúrò nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ẹ? Like seriously, how will I hurt someone I love so much? You know, mo ti reflect, mo ti ro síwájú, mo ro sẹ́yìn, mo rí pé kí ni mo ṣe yìí náà? And láti gbà yẹn, kò sí nǹkan kan tí mo ṣe, inú mi ò kí ń dùn. Tí mo bá jẹun, you know, mi kì í feel taste oúnjẹ lẹ́nu mi mọ́. I have been living miserably láti ìgbà yẹn. Mo dey try láti rí iṣẹ́ o kí n gbé calls mi. At a point mo wá feel gbọ́dọ̀ pé o ti bá a nọ́mbà mi. Jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run mo fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. See, it was a big mistake. Èṣù ló fà. Jọ̀ọ́ má bínú sí mi.
Èṣù ló fà.
A
jẹ́ pé attraction kan wà láàrin wa àti èṣù tó fi jẹ́ pé ìwọ lè ṣubú láti wọnú. Now let me ask you this question. Ṣé èṣù ló wò mí ṣùṣù tó wo ẹ̀kẹ́ mi tó dẹ̀ wò pé ìfọ̀tí ni mo deserve?
No. See, nǹkan tí mo try láti sọ ni pé see, it has happened. Let us put it in mind. Let us start afresh, and I promise you, I am never gonna do such again. Look at me, I'm a changed person. Like I'm a low earring, and look at me. Want to change? And I'm promising you right now, just like I've made a vow, that I will never ever put my hands on a woman again, regardless. See, it was a mistake.
Yeah, Fọláwẹ́, mistake ni. Èmi náà mọ̀ pé mistake ni. Mistake tèmi ṣe ni pé èmi allow àwọn méjèèjì láti go into a relationship. Because if you were not my boyfriend, Fọláwẹ́, you would not have slapped me.
Did you just say beer?
Yes, you did it because you were my boyfriend.
So what am I now?
Fọláwẹ́, are you trying to be funny?
See, má bínú now. Má bínú. You will be ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́. I'm telling you, there's never gonna be a third time. See,
it cannot even happen. First time was a mistake. Second time was what?
The devil.
Okay, and then the third time, what's a funny title? Èṣù tó tiẹ̀ tí kò tiẹ̀ pé kò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa la orí ẹ̀ mú giri kí ẹ̀jẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa yọ̀ ńbẹ̀ kí gbogbo orí ẹ̀ kó túká sílẹ̀. Èṣù ò tiẹ̀ kó máa drive lọ kó kàn park sẹ́nu train kí train kó crush ẹ̀ dànù. Èṣù ò tiẹ̀ kó máa drive lọ kó dédé dúró sí Third Mainland Bridge kó já sómi. Ọ̀dọ̀ mi lèṣù tiẹ̀ sí. That same èṣù tó tiẹ̀ the first time, the second time, ó ṣì máa tiẹ̀ náà. Kò dédé wò mí níjọ́ kan tá bá marry tán gan. Bóyá kò strangle mi ni o kò gbàgbọ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn security ẹ̀ kò shoot me. Àbí kó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ojoojúmọ́ domestic violence làwọn máa gbọ́ lé. Fọláwẹ́, you know what?
What?
I know where this is going. This can go. Look, I am not angry with you. I'm happy. Actually, me, no bondage. I just got to realize that I have so much in me.
Fọláwẹ́, my dear, gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ pátápátá ni mo ń gbọ́ bí tí mo dúró sí. Ṣe rí tẹ́lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bá ti mọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lẹ́ṣẹ̀ kò yẹ kó pẹ́ lórí ìpínlẹ̀ mọ́. Thank God ó ti realize our mistakes ẹ̀. So Ṣayọ̀, at this point in time màá fẹ́ kó ní sùúrù. Ó ti yẹ. Please let me talk. So thank God for our life. So àwa náà ṣọmọdé rí. Àdẹ̀mọ́ oríṣiríṣi táwa náà ṣe ń gba ìwé wa before we get it right. So ó ti wá bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ màá fẹ́ kó gbẹ̀bẹ̀.
Daddy.
Mo pẹ́ ọmọ ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni.
Daddy, Fọláwẹ́ is my friend and kò lè stop láti máa jọ̀rẹ́ ni because èmi àti jọ̀rẹ́ for a long time. Me ní anything against Fọláwẹ́. Mo ti dáríjì, even though mi ò lè gbàgbé. But life goes on. At least I'm in a better place now. Yes. Mo ti move on. I'm fine now. Mi ò realize all this while we're in a bondage kan. Because jẹ́ kí n lè express and I can discover a whole lot of great things about myself. But no. Kì í ṣe pé mo ní problem pẹ̀lú ẹ. Your dad and my dad are friends, so we are still friends too. Èmi àti ẹ ti jọ̀rẹ́ láti kékeré now, so
let's make it count.
Make what count?
This.
What is this?
A relationship.
Family, kó má gbá mi létí. Kó má lù mí.
It's in the past now, please.
Flower, please. Me be any good. Okay? I'm fine. We are good as friends.
Shayo, it's okay.
Daddy, it's okay. Kilo femo. Wine? Juice? What? Your favorite drink? My get there for you.
Fọláwẹ́, ṣé wọn náà ti wá realize pé kò dáa ká máa ná obìnrin?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir.
Why tá máa ná obìnrin? Àwa mú ọmọ ó di ẹ̀ṣẹ́, ọwọ́ ẹ̀ tó dàbí àmà yẹn ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fún ní blow ló ń fún blow ló ń gbá létí. Mistake. Tó bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ bó ṣe gbá lẹ́sẹ̀ tó ń gbá létí yẹn tó bá ṣubú tí nǹkan míì bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ńkọ́? Wo, you are a lucky person. Nítorí pé èmi àti dáàdì ẹ̀ àjọ rẹ̀ ni. Tí ò bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, you rot in jail. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ẹ. Ó mọ̀ mí ìgbèrè mi lọ́wọ́ dáàdì ẹ̀. I'm a politician. I know the mọ nǹkan tí lẹ́ǹtì táwa politician máa ń go to when you need something. So please, kò dáa. Tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí bá lọ, mi ò fẹ́ kó fọwọ́ kun obìnrin mọ́. Kò tí yẹ èmi máa bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Ẹ ṣe kan sá.
Because tó bá rí dáadáa, wàá rí pé inú ẹ̀ ti ń wálẹ̀. Ó ti yẹ. But tá a bá máa fi fún ní time díẹ̀, inú ẹ̀ máa rọlẹ̀.
Àwọn ṣe ti rí dáàdi, ẹ ṣe gan. Mo ní láti dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gidigidi gan because kò sí òbí tí irú ẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọmọ ẹ̀ tí kò ní bínú. Àmọ́ mo dá yín lójú pé mi ò lè ṣerú ẹ̀ mọ́. Mi ò ní ever ṣerú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn mọ́. Ayé mi mo ti change. Èṣù ni.
Ó ṣe máa ti ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó máa gbọ́ obìnrin tàbí kó gbá létí.
Ẹni tó bá gbígi oró, ó di dandan ó ká èso ibi. Ẹni tó bá gbígi oró, ó di dandan
Fọláṣayọ̀ mi, Àgbékẹ́ mi, ọmọ òpómúlérò mọ̀jà lẹ́kan, òpóróṣù òpó gbàjà, Àgbékẹ́ àdè. Mo rí ẹlẹ́nujọ́ mẹ́ta yìí pé nǹkan kan ń dùn ẹnu. Ohun tó wá ń dùn ẹnu lẹ́nujọ́ mẹ́ta yìí yẹn o, Ọlọ́run wà ní jẹ́ kó dìbànújẹ́ fún ẹ. Fọláṣayọ̀ mi.
Mọ́mí, ṣé ń jáde?
Mi ò jáde o, mo kàn ní kí n wá wò ẹ̀ sáré.
Okay. I'm good, I'm fine. Oh, wow.
That's my daughter.
Mọ́mí.
Oh, God.
Mọ́mí.
Sọ fún mi bó ṣe ń lọ.
Mọ́mí, kí ni?
Àgbékẹ́, inú ẹ̀ ṣáà ń dùn ni. Sọ fún mi náà, sọ fún mi bó ṣe ń lọ. Anyway, gbogbo nǹkan tó múnú ẹ dùn lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Ọlọ́run wà ní jẹ́ kó dìbànújẹ́.
Àmín.
Kò ní dìbànújẹ́ fún ẹ ọkọ mi.
Àmín. Mọ́mí.
Mo kàn ní kí wọ́n wò ẹ ni.
Okay, ọkọ yín ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ yín lókè.
Orí mi kọ́ mi yọ. Ẹ̀dá mi kọ́ mi yọ.
On an occasion like this, we need to commend our dear governor. Nítorí pé irú ìgbésẹ̀ báyìí kó máa decongest prison wa. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀ wípé facilities wa ti wà overpopulated. A ní láti dúpẹ́ gan-an lọ́wọ́ State Attorney General àti entire Justice Department fún akitiyan wọn. On our own part, a ti compile names of inmates with good character.
Thank you very much. The Executive Governor, His Excellency Chief Oladipupo Benson, inú wọn dùn gan sí Amnesty program yìí tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé wọ́n kò wò pé àwọn inmates tó wà nínú prison without any justice. Kí ló tán fún ọmọdé àwọn dúró káwọn kúkú já wọn sílẹ̀ kí wọ́n máa lọ. Gbogbo ọ̀nà nínú tèmi fúnra mi fòdò sí. Ẹ̀yin ni mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ jọ̀ọ́ kẹ́ bá mi ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tó bá yẹ kẹ́ ṣe. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
Okay. On our own part here, all arrangements have been made.
Wow.
So, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
My regards to His Excellency Governor.
Your Excellency, ṣé gan ni àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín púpọ̀. Ẹ ṣeun. Tàbá ní ká máa dúpẹ́ láti ní títí dọ̀là, a ní kúrò nídìí ọpẹ́ dúdú yẹn. Àwọn ẹlẹ́wọ̀n tẹ́ fún ní Amnesty. Wọ́n pọ̀. Bọ́dẹ̀ ṣe pọ̀ tó yẹn tàbá ní kí gbogbo wọn máa bọ̀ níbí. Kò ní gba èrò rárá torí pé inú gbogbo wọn ń dùn. Mo wá wò pé kí n yan àwọn mẹ́ta nínú wọn kí wọ́n wá láti wá fi ẹ̀mí ìmoore hàn. Eléyìí ni Prince Ọládìméjì, eléyìí ni Àbáyọ̀mí Oríyọmí, eléyìí ni Razak Izebe. So mo ní kán wá dúpẹ́ kí wọ́n wá fi ẹ̀mí ìmoore pé ẹ fún àwọn ní Amnesty kán wá fi hàn.
That's all right.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Ṣé rí alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ mi ò fẹ́ mọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Nǹkan tí mo nídìí látọwọ́ yín ni wípé àyípadà sí rere. Mo mọ ìdí tí mo fi tú yín sílẹ̀. And ṣé rí as the honourable governor of this state, mo jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó máa kó èèyàn mọ́ra tó dẹ̀ máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọ̀dọ́. So mo wá wò ó pé ó ti tó time kí n fún àwọn èèyàn díẹ̀ ní Amnesty ní state wide. Wọ́n á ní kí ẹ bá mi kọ list àwọn tó ń ṣe déédéé bí ọdún méjì sẹ́yìn. Ẹni pé inú list tẹ mú wá wọ́n á yọ àwọn 70 names. Mo wo gbogbo èyí tí ó jà, èyí tí ó fa wàhálà mọ́, èyí tó ṣàwọn àwọn tó ń wùwà dáadáa láti bí ọdún méjì.
Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gbọ́ngàn tí wọ́n sọ?
So wọ́n ní mo fi yọ 70 names tí mo forward sí yẹn. Nǹkan tí mo fi yọ nìyẹn.
Ẹ ṣé gan sa.
Thank God yìí pé ẹ̀yin mẹ́ta yìí wà nínú. Now, my advice to you will be Amnesty tàfún yìí. Bá ṣe dá yín sílẹ̀ yìí, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ di àtúnbí. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wúlò fúnra yín, kẹ́ wúlò fún òbí yín, kẹ́ dẹ̀ wúlò fún ìlú. Gbogbo èyí tó ti lọ, ẹgbàgbé ó ti lọ. Àyànmọ́ títí yẹn, destiny kádàrá títí yẹn, kẹ́yìn fúnra ara yín, kẹ́ wá di àtúnbí. Ọmọ dáadáa. Ẹ̀dùn ọmọ òbí yín nínú, ẹ̀dùn ìlú nínú, kẹ́dẹ̀ẹ́dùn ara yín nínú. Ẹ lọ síta. Kẹ́yìn náà ní family títí ẹni lè títí kẹ́ ń wáṣẹ́ tó dáa ẹ máa ṣe. I know pé ó máa difficult for now but àwọn àjọba kan ti gbé ìgbésẹ̀ láti fún ọ̀nà yìí ní 100,000 naira.
Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa dúpẹ́ nìyẹn?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
To start it.
Ẹ ṣe gan sir.
Thank you. Now, advice mi fún yín ni wípé 100,000 ta fẹ́ fún yín. Mi ò ní kẹ́ fi falẹ̀ fún. Mi ò ní kẹ́ fi mutí o. Kì í dẹ́ ṣe pé kẹ́ lọ́mọ pàrágà. Ṣẹ́gbọ́n, èyí tó fẹ́ ṣe fọ́gánáìsà, èyí tó fẹ́ fi ṣòwò, èyí tó fẹ́ fi ṣe one or two things just to start your life again ní owó kékeré ta fún mi. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé lágbára Ọlọ́run á tọ́ yín sọ́nà. Mo mọ̀ pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní ẹ̀wọ̀n kì í ṣe gbogbo yín náà ni ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó bí yín débẹ̀. But mi ò tẹ́ fẹ́ máa lọ to details owó ta fún yín ẹ jẹ́ kó dúró. Ṣé gbọ́?
Ṣé kọ́ sá? Ṣé kọ́ sá?
So you people can do it.
Mo jẹ́rìí àwọn ọkùnrin jẹ́ ṣe yánmayànmá. Wọ́n ti lọ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Mo ti ṣe ìwọ̀nba tèmi. You people can leave. Yeah. Okay.
Ẹ ṣe gan sá.
Wọ́n ní kí ọmọ lọ sí máa lọ.
Kí ló tún dúró mú?
You're too clean to be a prisoner. Oh, sọ fún mi pé criminal ni.
I'm sorry. I was scared of losing you. Mi ò mọ nǹkan tí màá bá lẹ́nu rẹ̀ tí n bá sọ fún mi. Àti wípé nǹkan tó gbé mi lọ sí ẹ̀wọ̀n, nǹkan tí mi ò wọ́ tí mi ò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń pa ẹ̀wọ̀n. I was replaced. Yeah, I was in that prison for 5 years. I'm sorry for not telling you the truth. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Kí ló máa wá ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí?
It's too late. It's too late for me to stop and control how I feel about you. Ìfẹ́ ti pẹ̀ka nínú ọkàn mi. I can't stop loving you. Àtìgbà tí mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ tí ń gbòòrò nínú ọkàn mi. Ó dẹ̀ ti di igi àràbà. Ó ti di ẹni bí ọkàn mi. Ó ti di ìdùnnú mi. Ó ti di ayọ̀ mi. Mo ti rí ẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnì kejì mi. Kò rí kò sùn mi. How can I now stop loving you? Mi ò mọ̀ bí ayé mi ṣe fẹ́ rí láìsí ẹ níbẹ̀ mọ́. Láàárín ìgbà díẹ̀ lèmi àti ẹ mọ̀. Mo ti ń rí ẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnì kejì mi. How can I control the way I feel about you?
This is exactly how I feel about you too. I love you. I love you more than you love me. I'm not sure I can cope without you. Thank you. Thank you for loving me the way I am. Oshiko.
Thank you.
for bringing joy and light into my life.
Anything for you. Why didn't you tell me you're the governor's daughter as well?
Mi ò fẹ́ fìyẹn síwájú. Mi ò bá ṣì sọ fún ẹ náà.
Ìyá tẹ̀lé. Mo ní kó tẹ̀lé mi. Ṣé kì í ṣara àwọn ẹlẹ́wọ̀n tí dádì ẹ dá sílẹ̀ kan ní ìní?
Mom, please stop. You shouldn't be saying that.
Tẹ̀lé mi.
Mom, I will come.
I'm your mother. Tẹ̀lé mi.
Mummy, ma wá bá yín. I'm an adult. Ma wá bá yín.
Ta ni mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ mi fún? Níbo mo fẹ́ gbé gbà? Ta ni mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ mi fún? Oh, níbo? Ẹni tó bá gbìgì oró, ó di dandan ó ká èso ibi. Ẹni tó bá gbìgì oró, ó di dandan
bóyá o sì gbọ́ ayé ò possible náà kò lè possible gbogbo education ta fún gbogbo ló fẹ́ dà sí gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ ta kọ́ gbogbo wàhálà wa lórí ẹ̀ kí ló fẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí so kí ló máa sọ wípé ex-convict ló ní choice òun láti fẹ́ǹsì kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ó sì gbọ́ ni.
Mi ò sì gbọ́ òde ẹ̀ mo rí wọn pọ̀ lónìí olónìí after tí mo rí wọn pọ̀ lónìí olónìí tán mo tún délé mo tún bí léèrè ó tún láti máa sọ fún mi pé ẹ tó ń fẹ́ fẹ́ nìyí.
Bóyá ó ń lálà ó ń dream ni ìyẹn pípẹ́ nínú ilé ìwé ló fẹ́ gbé yẹn wá mo mọ ọmọ tí mo bí náà.
Bóyá kẹ́yìn náà bẹ́ẹ̀ tún bí léèrè ń bá mi.
mo mọ ọmọ tí mo bí ìyẹn ò lè ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn ìjà yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Àgbékẹ́ Adé.
Mọ́mí ẹ̀ sọ fún mi sí mo dẹ̀ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀ jẹ́ pé èkó lè pọ̀ síbú. Ó ń sọ fún mi pé àwọn ẹlẹ́wọ̀n tí mo fún ní Amnesty lẹ́nu tí mo ṣe fi wípé ìkànnù wọn òun ó sọ pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ tí mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé yẹn pọ̀ síbú.
Daddy, ṣé notice these days pé I've been very vibrant and happy?
Mi máa ń dùn tí bá gbẹ náà. In fact, mo notice pé you are not a change person. Pé inú ẹ̀ ń dùn. Inú títí ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ṣe ń dùn. Ó ń jẹ́ kí inú tèmi náà máa dùn.
I noticed.
Okay, good. This is good. At least eléyìí tí ẹ ti jẹ́ kí n rí àrídájú pé my parents care about me. Tefima notice out of your very busy schedule. Okay, Dad, Mom. What if tí n bá sọ fún yín pé ẹni tẹ́yin tag as
ex-convict?
Yeah, well, whatever. Tí n bá sọ fún yín pé is the reason behind my happiness. Yes. Yes, òun ló múnú mi dùn. And I really, really love him.
Look here. Báwo ló ṣe sound létí títí? Headline yẹn kò fit mi. Ọkàn fẹ́ sọ mí lórúkọ tó ń ṣe ti tèmi. Báwo ni headline yẹn ṣe fẹ́ rí? Ọmọ gọ́vnà fẹ́ ex-convict. Létí títí ẹ báwo ló ṣe sound?
Daddy, mi ò ní sọ pé ẹ wrong because perspective ti yín nìyẹn. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé tó ní gbà bá ṣe pé gbà ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́n ṣe máa bá gbé. Why not look on the positive side, which is also the brighter side? Kí wọ́n wá sọ pé governor ọmọ tí governor state bí òun àti èèyàn kan tán tí ẹ̀ mọ̀ rárá tó ti wá jẹ́ pé èèyàn tó ti lọ sẹ́wọ̀n rẹ̀ wọ́n á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa fẹ́ra wọn. People will love you. Àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé wow, this is the man. Wọ́n máa sọ pé governor will discriminate. Governor is a man of the people, is for the people, is a very good person.
Stop it. Mo dẹ̀ rè o ṣe lọ́wájú lòun padà sẹ́yìn pẹ̀lú mi. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? And you are very stupid láti tó wájú mi kó máa sọ pé èèyàn kan ló lọ. Wọ́n dúró síwájú mi bí òun sọ pé torí gbá bá ṣe pé bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìgbà wo ni mo dìlé ẹ lórí? Ìgbà wo ni mo dìlé ẹ lórí tí mo sọ pé kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ gbé? Ó ní kó o gọ̀ ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ ni wọ́n ra. Hey, shut that shut out, shut your mouth. Tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ don't talk. Don't talk. Nǹkan tí bá fẹ́ ló máa bá mi fẹ́. You don't tell me what to do.
What are you screaming?
Ayé gbogbo owó tí mo ná lé lórí nǹkan. O fẹ́ kó kí ẹ waste time. Kí ló fẹ́ kó àwọn political opponent mi máa sọ nípa mi? Adé ń bẹ ẹ sọ bí ṣe gbé ẹ lọ́wọ́ ló ń bò ká ẹni tí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí. Níbo lẹ ti ríra, níbo lẹ ti pàdé? Níbo lẹ ti ríra láti pàdé tó fẹ́ bà mí lórúkọ jẹ́? Hey, shut up, let me talk. Look here, má jẹ́ kí n lú òkú èèyàn lọ́rùn.
Daddy, what does that even mean?
Oh yes! Ebi tó bá tí bá tún rí ẹ pẹ̀lú ọmọ yẹn, màá lóko èèyàn lọ́rùn. I will kill him. Look here, tí n bá pa tán, màá pa family ẹ̀, màá pa àwọn parents ẹ̀, màá pa jánu lé wọn, màá polówó nu lé wọn, màá pa yanu lé wọn, màá pa ìrà nu lé wọn. Ṣáàjọ, please behave yourself. Behave! Ibi tó lọ yẹn, I don't want it at all. At all. Ó ti yẹ, mo náwó lórí ẹ o. Bí dẹ̀ ṣe wà mo dẹ̀ lówó ti fẹ́ ná. Èèyàn pàtàkì ní mí. Àbí kí ló fi bí pé? Oh, because I'm showing love to you. Bá ọmọ ẹ sọ̀rọ̀. Please don't let me do what I won't like to do. Please. Rubbish.
Sórí pé o ti mú dáàdì ẹ̀bí inú bá.
Daddy sọ pé àwọn máa pààyàn.
O ti mú dáàdì ẹ̀bí inú.
Governor.
Ọkọ mi, I'm your mother. Gbọ́rọ̀ sí àwa òbí ẹ lẹ́nu.
Mommy.
Yes.
Daddy sọ pé àwọn lè pààyàn.
Nǹkan tó máa ṣe ló sọ yẹn o. Ó lè pààyàn.
Above the law. I say, yeah. He's above the law. Kò sẹ́ni tó kọjá òfin. Above the law. Oh, no one. He's above the law. Sí, oníkálukú ajé iṣẹ́ rẹ̀.
My heart is beating already.
I have a surprise for you.
What's the surprise?
Okay. Now, close your eyes. Okay, please can you raise your hands? Thank you. Close the door, Owolewa Junior. Open. 1, 2, 3, go! I feel it.
This is heavy. This is so...
Yeah, that's because you're very heavy. It is very, very heavy. Oh, my gosh, you're very, very heavy. See, continue. You're more precious than this book. You're more precious than I know. Oh, you got to say thank you. Don't talk about precision. Just tell me you love me. Just keep telling me you love me. Just keep showing me you love me.
Faye, I love you.
I know.
So it's true.
What?
Like, gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ń gbọ́ town.
Wicked.
One saw, you know, I was doubting it. I'm like, go possible. My own almighty, beautiful Folashayo can never stoop that low. Kualoma fair elewon. I mean, an ex-felon. See, mo gbèsè gbé báyìí, mi lè comprehend it. I mean, according to nǹkan tí mo gbọ́, wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé mi pé this person has been in prison for God knows how long. Now you're in love with him. No, go possible. But bí mo ṣe débi báyìí sìn, like I'm feeling it like, you don't pay Otoni. Please tell me it's not possible. Tell me it is not true. You see, let me tell you something you don't understand. I am Folawemimo Ajayi, the only son of one of the most powerful politicians in this country.
Shut up! Folawe, shut up! You talk too much.
I talk too much.
Now let me ask you this simple question. Kí ni ìwọ gangan as ọkùnrin? Kí ló tí ever achieve in your life? No, your father's name aside now. Kí ló tí forúkọ ara ẹ̀ ṣe? What have you accomplished? What can you boast of? Everything, my father this, my father that. And let me tell you, the person you are referring to as an ex-convict, as a criminal, as whatever, is none of those names you've tagged him with. Torí pé tomati ẹ̀ ń díwọ́ alágbàfọ̀ kó gba ẹnu àtọ̀lé ẹ̀ tó máa ń pèèyàn ní criminal. Fọláwẹ̀ kò tọ́ sí ẹ láti máa nàka pé criminal lèèyàn kan sí. Because I know you.
No.
Now for your information, last information for you. This person you're referring to as a criminal is the love of my life. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́, mo dẹ̀ máa fẹ́. I'm at your wedding very soon. And the invitation wa bá ti jáde, I'll let you get it, okay? Get that into your dumb skull!
See, you need to come back to your senses on time. You're about to lose out on me. I am almost your meal ticket. Folashayo! Mote. I swear down, ó walk out, come wájú mi ní ṣá. Àfìgbàtí mote. Okay. Láti ṣe mi definitely ó máa ti ṣe ara ẹ̀.
Tani mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ mi fún? Oníbò.
Leo, go and check who is that.
Tó bá igi oró, ó di dandan, ó ká èso ibi.
Bí ẹ̀yin àti journalist.
Okay, yẹ kàn wọlé. How are you? Linda the Squealer. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes.
Iṣẹ́ tẹ́ gbé fún mi pé kí n ṣàlàyé fún journalist. Of course, mo ti explain everything fún in detail. But mo kàn fún pé kó tó wá ṣàlàyé fún yín better because ó dà pé tó bá tún ṣàlàyé fún yín ara yẹ yín ju bí mi ṣe máa ṣàlàyé fún yín lọ sàn.
Okay. Squeal.
Yes, sir. Ṣé mo pé assumption yẹn ó correct ṣá?
Really?
Because from my findings, mo discover pé ìkan nínú àwọn prisoners tí governor state yìí tó fún ní amnesty, òun ni òun àtọmọ governor fúnra rẹ̀ jọ ń ṣe wọléwọ̀de.
You don't say.
Exactly, sir. That's my main reason tí mo sọ pé fúnra rẹ̀ kó wá ṣàlàyé fún yín because tí bá sọ fún yín ẹni má fẹ́ gbà mí gbọ́.
Governor tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ yìí, èmi pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ ni wá o. So tí n bá máa accuse ẹ at all, mo láti make sure pé fact ni mò ń sọ. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Sir, iṣẹ́ àkọ́kọ́ tèmi àti yín máa kọ́kọ́ jọ ṣe kọ́ lélẹ̀.
Of course.
And ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé several times mi ìmọ̀fọ̀ orí mi ìmọ̀fọ̀ fún yín rí. So I am double sure.
Hey, yes. Oh, Mofori. Ah, God. Okay, I know what to do. Linda. Hello. Yes, I'm not in but mo fẹ́ gbọ́ kó jẹ́ pé ẹnu oníkan ni mo ti fẹ́ gbọ́ pọ̀n. Àwọn prisoners tí ó fún ní amnesty ìkànnù wọn fi sí àárín torí pé ọmọ àtọmọ tiẹ̀ wọ́n jọ ní àjọṣepọ̀ wọ́n ṣe wọléwọ̀de. Is that true?
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi èmi ni mo fà ó ní bínú ni o èmi ni mo fa gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Ṣé bí amnesty tó fún àwọn ẹlẹ́wọ̀n yìí òun ló dá gbogbo eléyìí lẹ̀ èmi dẹ̀ ṣe ojú ayé lásán ni mo ṣe nítorí mo wà gẹ́gẹ́ ní ọ̀nà onípẹ̀rẹ́ǹtì ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mo ní àbíṣọ́ fún ministerial appointment nǹkan tó fà á ti fi ṣe nìyẹn.
Èmi ò ṣe ní kí ọmọ tiẹ̀ kó má fẹ́ ọmọ tèmi mọ́ ó wá fún ní prisoner wá mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ mú prisoner jáde kó lè máa fẹ́.
Fọkàn rẹ̀ balẹ̀ ṣé bọ́mọ tèmi ni ẹ ti ń bá gbé ní ẹ̀rọ fún tó bá sọ fún wọn ní gbọ́ máa gbé lélẹ̀ fún ìfẹ́ tí tèmi ló máa ṣe. ẹgbẹ́ mi ní dájẹ́ fọkàn rẹ̀ balẹ̀ gbogbo agreement wa ṣe remain the same.
Mo fẹ́ kí aláàtìṣe kó má ti ṣe ààrẹ otherwise ó máa lẹ́yìn o ibi tí máa gbà yọ sí ẹ ò ní láìkí ẹ o. ṣé mi Abuja ni mo wà.
Ó tó jọ mẹ́ta o ṣáà jókòó pàṣẹ Abuja mẹ́ẹ̀ ńlá gbogbo ẹ̀ ò kú sẹ́ǹdì kankan sáwa ń bí àwa náà ní pẹ́ wá bá yín a máa fọwọ́ yí epo wá bá yín lọ ti gbọ́ kò sí problem o lè pàdé mi ní Ìkòyí.
Well Ìkòyí club dá ọ̀dà ìjẹ́ kí n dé sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ náà.
ok máa tó dẹ̀ máa mí tẹ́ ní club Ìkòyí ni o that's all right. Okay, alright. Thank you. See you later.
Excuse me, sir.
You are so right. Linda the squealer.
Ọ̀gá mi, sir. Yes, sir. But ikú la wá, sir. Ẹ sọ fún olórí fún pé Abuja lè wá, sir.
Your father. Àbúbọ̀ ohun tó bá mi sọ ni. Secretary, láti ọjọ́ tó ti ń bá politician rìn tó ti ń bá wa rìn tó ti wà láàrin wa ó mọ àyíníkí àti àyínípadà nígbà tí bá ní mo wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó dọ́wọ́ rán ayákìlà wá bá mi ń kọ́.
Anira Brewster, I'm so sorry.
Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí your father.
Yóò ní wáyé mọ́, sir.
All right, sir.
Mi ò fẹ́ fún ẹ lálàtì mo fẹ́ kó kúkú gba envelope.
Ó wà òkè mẹ́sà.
Bá mi pé bọ́ yẹn ní kó gbé kan náà envelope tó wà ní orí drawer.
Sir.
Yes.
Weekend la wáyé, sir.
Náà so ìpínlẹ̀ ló ṣe jẹ́ cash lẹ́ máa gbà.
Thank you, sir.
Ọ̀tá fà sókè ìdóborí.
Linda the
squealer.
Barrister Lewis, you came highly recommended based on our nǹkan in the past.
Thank you.
And I am trusting you on this. I mean, I need to revisit rape case here. Because I know the two people in question. Mo mọ èèyàn tí Àbáyọ̀mí jẹ́. Mo dẹ̀ mọ èèyàn tí Fọláwẹ́ jẹ́. Mi ò fẹ́ ká sweep case yẹn under the carpet. So mo fẹ́ kí n tú everything. Gbogbo nǹkan tí Fọláwẹ́ rò pé òun ti tọ́jú pamọ́. Because I know him. He likes to clean up his mess. Gbogbo mess tó ń rò pé òun ti clean yẹn. Fẹ́ kẹ́yìn kẹ́ bá mi tú everything lásìkò.
Madam, olófòfò lè ránṣẹ́ ẹ wá ń béèrè ṣó máa jẹ dáadáa. Ibi tí ẹ ràn mí dé máa jẹ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. I mean, who does that? Can you imagine? Kí èèyàn rape, kó wá fi ẹlòmíì lórí place. I have been an advocate for justice ní ìlú tí a wà yìí. Oh, is it because he is a son of a minister? Torí pé ó jẹ́ ọmọ alágbára ọmọ gbajúmọ̀. Okay, àwọn tí wọ́n léèyàn yẹn àwọn náà máa ṣẹ̀tàn máa lọ ṣẹ̀wọ̀n àbí? Gbogbo nǹkan tí ó bá gbà, gbogbo nǹkan tí ó bá need láti fi ja ìjà yìí, wọ́n ní máa fi ja ìjà yìí. Justice is what we want. Justice is what we will get. I tell you, you can't believe that.
I like humor already. Yeah. Because key word, ten hammer on, which is justice, is what I stand for. Because it's an obvious case of injustice.
Sure.
Nǹkan téèyàn mọ́wọ́ tí ò mẹsẹ̀, kó dẹ̀ jìyà ẹ̀ fún odindi ọdún 5. Please, barrister, ẹ bá wa ṣe, and you will be handsomely rewarded apart from it that you negotiate still.
It's not about money. It's about getting justice.
I am counting on you. 5 years tí Abayomi lò fún nǹkan tí kò mọ nǹkan pa, it must not be in vain.
I agree with you completely. Mr. Abayomi, I want you to understand that òkú ò kì í fi ara pamọ́ fún ẹni tí ó máa sìn. So if you have to work with me, if we have to work together, you have to tell me everything, little. Ó ní láti sọ everything fún mi bí ó ṣe rí gẹ́lẹ́. Whether you're wrong or you're right, I still need to hear the truth. Exactly how it is. I don't want you to paint it for me. Just tell me exactly bí ó ṣe rí. I don't just want to hear any other thing. Can I get that from you?
Barrister, thank you so much. I have no cause to hide anything. Because gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi, till now I still feel like I'm dreaming. Mo máa ṣàlàyé fún yín. Èmi tẹ́ ń wò yìí, I'm a graduate of marine engineering. Ẹ mọ̀ bí ìlú ìṣe rí, kò sí employment opportunities. Tọ́mọ bá lọ sí school, ó máa tiraka púpọ̀ láti ríṣẹ́. Gbogbo bí mo ṣe plan pé ó ti bá ṣe tán, I'll try and get a job in the force or anywhere tẹ́ pé marine engineering will be appreciated. But all to no avail. Until one day tí mo pàdé colleague mi kan tàjọ ṣetán school. Òun náà ríṣẹ́ but tó ní iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ kan tó ń ṣe. I think he's into furniture or something. Yeah, he was into furniture. Ó ní kí n máa bọ̀ l'Ékòó. Pé Èkó is a land of opportunities. Pé employment opportunities ẹ̀ wà díẹ̀díẹ̀ l'Ékòó. Pé but tí mo bá try tí mi ò bá ríṣẹ́, mo lè ṣiṣẹ́ ọwọ́. Because Lagos is a place that tó bá tẹ̀ jẹ́ pure water lásán ló ń tà. Tó bá tẹra mọ́, àṣírí àbò, wàá jẹ, wàá mu, you'll be fine to some extent. Mo dẹ̀ gbọ́ sí lẹ́nu, mo wá s'Èkó, mo try láti wáṣẹ́ díẹ̀, mi ò rí. So mo dẹ̀ wò pé iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ wo ni mo lè kọ́. Then mo rántí pé mo ní passion for beauty, pé ká máa gẹrun, ká máa ṣe. So mo dẹ̀ decide láti lọ kọ́ barbing. The very day tí mo fẹ́ resume iṣẹ́ barbing, ìjọ yẹn mo ń rìn títì. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá ikọ̀ wá from nowhere, wọ́n dẹ̀ bọ́ndù mi wọnú mọ́tò wọn. Mo ní kí ni mo ṣe, wọ́n ní kí n dákẹ́, kí n gbẹ́nu. Like, is this what Lagos or kò yé mi? Until ìgbà tí mo déwájú DPO. And the woman was accusing me of rape. Name me rape. At the point I felt they were trying to play a prank, or something. Till now, I can't still get over it. Barrister Bimoshe Dere 1 year. I was sentenced to 21 years imprisonment. Barrister. 21 years for a crime I didn't commit. I tried getting a lawyer, but man, everything was just not working. I lost the case. It just sentenced me. I felt like the world should just... Well, as destiny would have it again, the governor granted us amnesty. But while I was in the prison, you can't know what has ever pick on me. Who call like me. Only Mujodadi. So he just liked me. He loved me. He was everything for me while I was there. I'm sorry. He was just good to me. Truly I was replaced. Only one for me replace my minister Connie Folawe.
Mr. Abayo, you need to be heard. Ayé ní láti gbọ́ ẹ. Wọ́n ní láti mọ story ẹ. Kò ṣe nǹkan tá máa fi sí under the carpet. We can sweep this. And I am sure justice must be served. Stop crying. It is just a pity when Mr. Pity fall into the city of pity and no one could bring Mr. Pity out of the city of pity. It is really a pity. This is the problem. You are not the only person that has been going through this. This is the problem we are fighting in this nation. Corruption everywhere, police brutality. But in your case, justice must be served.
You shall reap what you sow. Àṣepamọ́lẹ́wà kò sí àṣegbé. Ìyàn ogún ọdún a máa ń jórí láwá o. Òtójú ẹnìkan kò rí ojú Ọlọ́run rí. No one is above the law. Kò sẹ́ni tó kọjá òfin. He's above the law. Oníkálukú á jèrè iṣẹ́ rẹ̀. Above the law. Àṣejẹ́ náà. He's above the law. Kò sẹ́ni tó kọjá òfin. Above the law. No one, no one. He's above the law. Sí, oníkálukú á jèrè iṣẹ́ rẹ̀. Above the law. Nítorí pé òtójú ẹnìkan kò rí.